In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Alison app not working. If you are facing any challenge with your Alison app, maybe the app is too slow, it is not opening, or it keeps on stopping, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now to troubleshoot and fix your app, first you need to go to your phone and look for settings. From settings, go to apps. And under apps, look for this option called manage apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, look for Alison. You can see we have our app here. If you tap on it, now you'll be on Alison app info page. Here, go to for stop app and OK. This will stop any background activities that might be causing this issue. Then go to clear data and clear cache and OK, and clear all data. Now restart your smartphone, and if you have any VPN app on your smartphone, you'll need to uninstall it, or if you have any recently installed security app, this might also be causing the issue. And once you have removed them, now open your Alison app and everything should be up and running without any issue. But at this point, if you still have a challenge, then it's time to check and then see if we have any update for your Alison app through Google Play Store or App Store. Here, search for your app by name and update your app to the latest version. Now, in most cases, this is enough to fix your issue. However, if your app keeps on stopping, for that it means your Alison app contains bugs. For that, you'll need to uninstall the app and install it afresh, as doing so will clear the bugs that are contained on your app. So let me know which of these was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.